Welcome back, Pure Sharks Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today again we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Starting with S&P 500, do want to see if the market can get back a little bit into this zone here. 40.63.50 and below that 40.60.25. That's going to be the area that we're looking for. A nice double bottom off this level, and then from here maybe a bounce to the upside. Now if not there, next level down below for me is going to be right around these 44 to 42s. We had some nice support coming in right at that area. Nice double bottom. You see we bounced off, so could be our area of support. We are looking for this thing to gradually climb back up into these 40.99s to as high as 41.20. That's going to be the area of resistance up above. So here we could see nice opportunity to try to short it back down right off this area if we get a double top right off that. So we're going to look out for that for the London session, and maybe even into the US session. We will see. Still trying to work through the Bell's palsy, so not doing as much videos as I'd like to up until everything gets back to normal. So we'll be holding off on the morning market analysis live videos until we get everything back under control. But still doing these videos for you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Now moving over, let's go ahead and take a look at gold for you guys. So gold on the move down, want to see it try to get past this level of support that we prior had, 1809, and getting down into 1798.1. Here we may end up looking for a nice bottom here and then a nice move back to the upside. But right now, if we can hold underneath these 1809s, actually that's going to be a great area for us to look to try to continue the short down. So here maybe get a nice one or two touches. Nice M formation there would lead to a great opportunity to go down from. Kind of similar to the movement up above. You can see a nice double top here and nice little bit of a touch here for a third touch before it started to move down, and then we started to come underneath that support. So it could be a good opportunity for us to try to break that down and then head a little bit lower. So we're going to be looking out for that on gold. Now let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil coming into support. Want to see if we can get a nice double bottom similar to what we had over here. So you can see a nice double bottom formulated there. You can also see M formation double tops that we have right here. Could be good opportunities in another 1, 2, 3 touches. Head and shoulders that happens over here. So some good pattern formation shows up here on crude oil. Really want to kind of try to look for that as we come into our levels. You don't want to just take the very first opportunity off of it, because again what could happen is it could pull a little bit deeper, get your stop, and then try to go from there. Markets do like to stop hunt, so you just want to keep that in mind if you're trading. But a nice double bottom right off this area would be great. Get a nice bounce up. So this could be a nice triple here, and then get a nice push back up into resistance. Again, resistance 114.45 to about 114.65 is the areas of resistance, and above that 115.45 as the next level. So again, as we come into our areas, maybe even the support down below 111.84, we're going to be looking out for a nice pattern formation, double bottom, and then a push to the upside. So keep that in mind for those who want to try to go long. For me, the best short right now would be right up here. Get a nice double top, and that's where we're going to be looking for a nice short there, or up at 115.45. So we'll keep an eye out for that on crude oil. But that wraps it up. S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you are going to trade for the London session and even into the US session, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. Very, very important. Don't try to chase after any trades. Don't try to jump in on something that just doesn't make any sense. Make sure you have that discipline, you have those patience, or that patience in trading, and more than not, you're going to see that you make some pretty solid trades, right? So it's not so much about the outcome of the trade as it is the process. So keep that in mind. You guys take care. Have a great night.